I will be. I'm a mango. Ready for yellow color.
Thank you.
Thank you. Reddy. I am studying in LKG. My name is Strawberry. I am in red in color. I am in heart shape. I am in rich in vitamin C. My name is Agasta. I am studying in LKG. I am a mango. I am yellow in color. I am king of fruits. I am in fruit stand. I am studying in UKG. I am banana. I am yellow in color and in color shape. Banana are rich in vitamin B6 and C. I love to eat banana. Thank you. My name is Strawberry. I am studying in UKG. I am strawberry. I am red in color. I am more shape. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C. Thank you. Apple. This is a healthy food. It is a red in color. It is a round shape. Thank you. I am grape. I am in oval shape. I am grapes are rich. Different colors are green, violet, black. I am in rich in vitamin C. I love eat my grapes. Thank you. I am studying in UKG. I am Chitu. I am in shelter shape. I am down in cover. Thank you. My name is Manikanta. I am studying in UKG. I am blue. I am green and yellow in color. Inside pink and white in color. It's in a round oval shape. Thank you. Me, I'm studying in UKG. My school name is Sharada Vidya Niketana School. My topic is pomegranate. Pomegranate is a fruit. It is a juicy fruit. It is a red in color. This is red in shape. Thank you. Studying in UKG. My school name is Shadana Vidana Ketana School. Watermelon is a fruit. It is a vowel shape. It is summer season fruit. Thank you. I'm studying in UKG. My school name is Sharada Vidana Ketana School. I am mango. I am king of fruit. Yummy fruit. I like to eat mango. I am yellow in color. Thank you. My name is Sujit. I am studying UKG. Papaya. Papaya is a fruit. It is oval shape, orange and green in color. It is rich, so soft, iron and calcium. Thank you. My son is LKG. I am